What is crypto? Monkeys use leaves to buy things. Leaves are the official money in monkey land. Every monkey accepts them. Every shop takes them. Life seems pretty simple. But there's a problem. Actually, there are a lot of problems. Every leaf is controlled by the monkey bank. Whenever monkeys buy something using leaves, the monkey bank usually takes a little extra. That's called a transaction fee. Maybe it's small, maybe it's bigger. Either way, the bank gets paid. And if one monkey wants to send leaves to another monkey living on the other side of the world, things get even slower. The monkey bank checks everything, approves everything, processes everything. Sometimes it takes hours, sometimes days. Now imagine monkey is starving. He wants to buy bananas immediately, but his payment is still processing. Not very helpful. There's another issue. The monkey bank can simply print more leaves whenever it wants. At first, that sounds amazing. More leaves means every monkey is richer, right? Not exactly. If every monkey suddenly has twice as many leaves, but there are still the same number of bananas, banana sellers start charging more. Soon, one banana that used to cost 10 leaves now costs 20 leaves. Your leaves didn't become more valuable, they became less valuable. That's called inflation. Inflation slowly reduces the purchasing power of your money. It's one of the biggest reasons people started looking for alternatives to traditional currencies. And that's where cryptocurrency enters the story. Not every monkey even has access to the monkey bank. Some monkeys live deep in the jungle. Some don't have the paperwork. Some don't trust the bank at all. Others can only visit during business hours. If the bank is closed, no buying, no sending, no receiving. There's another problem. Leaves can be copied. Fake leaves appear. Some look almost identical to real ones. The monkey bank has to constantly check whether every leaf is genuine. It's a lot of work. So one day, some very clever monkeys ask a question. What if money didn't need a bank at all? Instead of using leaves, they invent something completely different. They decide to use bananas. Not ordinary bananas, digital bananas. Welcome to the world of cryptocurrency. So how does crypto work? Unlike leaves, bananas aren't controlled by one monkey bank. They aren't controlled by one king, or one government, or one rich monkey. Instead, they're controlled by the entire troop. This idea is called decentralization. It's one of the biggest reasons cryptocurrency became so popular. Instead of trusting one bank, everyone helps verify what's happening. Think of it like this. If only one monkey keeps score during a football game, he could easily cheat. But if 10,000 monkeys all keep score at the same time, cheating becomes almost impossible. That's basically how many cryptocurrencies work. Now, Monkey wants to buy a giant banana smoothie. He pays using digital bananas. Instead of sending the payment through the monkey bank, his transaction is shared with thousands of monkeys around the jungle. Those monkeys check whether Monkey actually owns enough bananas. If everything looks correct, the payment is approved. No manager, no bank employee, no central authority. Just the network working together. Because of this, many cryptocurrencies happen much faster than traditional bank transfers, especially when sending money across countries. Whether Monkey sends bananas next door or across the ocean, the process works almost the same way. That's one reason people call cryptocurrency borderless money. Another benefit? Many cryptocurrencies charge either very small transaction fees or sometimes none at all, especially compared to traditional international bank transfers. Now let's talk about supply. Some cryptocurrencies, like Bitcoin, have a fixed maximum supply. Only 21 million Bitcoin will ever exist. That's it. No more can be created after the limit is reached. Many people believe this scarcity makes Bitcoin similar to digital gold, because unlike leaves, no monkey bank can suddenly print millions of extra Bitcoins overnight. Of course, not every cryptocurrency works this way. Some cryptocurrencies have different supply rules. Some create new coins over time. Some even have unlimited supplies. We'll talk about why that's important later. There's another huge advantage. Counterfeit bananas don't exist. Each digital banana can be verified by the entire network. Trying to fake one would be like trying to convince every monkey in the jungle that the moon is actually a coconut. Good luck with that. And here's something else. Crypto never sleeps. The monkey bank closes. Employees go home. Weekends arrive. Public holidays happen. Cryptocurrency? It keeps running. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. Whether it's midnight, Christmas, or Monkey's birthday, the crypto network keeps working. No opening hours, no lunch breaks, no waiting until Monday morning. Sounds impressive, but one question remains. If there's no monkey bank, who keeps track of every single banana transaction? How does everyone know who owns what? That's where the most important invention behind cryptocurrency comes in. It's called the blockchain. So how does the blockchain actually work? Imagine every banana transaction ever made is written down. Monkey sends 5 bananas to gorilla. Write it down. Gorilla sends 2 bananas to chimp. Write it down. Chimp buys a banana smoothie. Write it down. Instead of hiding these records inside one monkey bank, every transaction is grouped together into a giant digital page. This page is called a block. When the block fills up with transactions, it gets added to a long chain of previous blocks. That's why it's called the blockchain. Think of it like the world's biggest public notebook. Every monkey can see it. Every monkey gets a copy. No single monkey owns it. No single monkey controls it. If one monkey tries to secretly change a transaction, everyone else's copy says, "Nope, that's not what happened." The fake version gets rejected immediately. That's what makes blockchain technology so secure. It's transparent, distributed, and extremely difficult to cheat. But there's still one important question. Who checks that every transaction is real before it's added to the blockchain? That's where the miners come in. Crypto mining. Crypto miners are special monkeys with very powerful computers. Their job isn't digging for bananas. Their job is verifying transactions. When Monkey sends bananas, miners first check everything. Does Monkey actually own those bananas? Has Monkey already spent them somewhere else? Is the transaction valid? If the answer is yes, the transaction stays. If it's fake, it's thrown away. Once enough valid transactions have been collected, the miners compete to solve an incredibly difficult mathematical puzzle. Imagine thousands of monkeys trying to guess the combination to a giant treasure chest. They keep guessing, again and again, millions, sometimes trillions of times every second. Eventually, one miner guesses the correct answer. This system is called proof of work. The winning miner earns newly created cryptocurrency plus transaction rewards. Then the completed block is permanently added to the blockchain. Every monkey updates their copy. The process starts all over again. Because thousands of computers around the world are checking everything at the same time, changing old transactions becomes almost impossible. To cheat, someone would have to rewrite that block, then rewrite every block after it while somehow becoming faster than the rest of the network combined. For huge cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, that's practically impossible. That's why many people consider blockchain technology one of the safest digital record systems ever created. Who invented crypto? Now comes one of the biggest mysteries on the internet. Who actually created Bitcoin? Nobody knows. In 2008, someone using the name Satoshi Nakamoto published a paper explaining how a decentralized digital currency could work. In 2009, Bitcoin officially launched. Then something strange happened. Satoshi slowly disappeared. No interviews, no public appearances, no confirmed identity. To this day, nobody knows whether Satoshi is one person, a group of developers, or someone completely unexpected. It's one of technology's greatest unsolved mysteries. But whoever created Bitcoin, their invention changed finance forever. Today, thousands of cryptocurrencies exist. Some solve real-world problems. Some focus on fast payments. Some power gaming or online apps. And some were literally created as jokes. Yes, people actually invest billions of dollars into meme coins. The internet is a strange place. investing in crypto. Most monkeys don't actually spend cryptocurrency every day. Instead, they buy it hoping the price will increase. The plan sounds simple. Buy low, sell high, keep the profit. Easy, at least in theory. But crypto doesn't move like normal investments. Imagine the stock market is a smooth highway. Crypto is a rocket-powered roller coaster with no seatbelts. Prices can rise 20% in a day, then fall 30% the next. News affects prices. Government regulations affect prices. Interest rates affect prices. Even a single social media post from a famous billionaire can send the entire crypto market soaring or crashing. That's why cryptocurrency is considered highly volatile.